Welcome back to school by Ken Nesbitt. Dear students, the summer has ended. The school year at last has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise we'll only have fun. We won't study any mathematics, and recess will last all day long. Instead of the Pledge of Allegiance, we'll belt out a rock and roll song. We'll only play games in the classroom. You're welcome to bring in your toys. It's okay to run in the hallways. It's great if you make lots of noise. For homework, you'll play your Nintendo. You have to watch lots of TV. The lunchroom will only serve chocolate and triple fudge Sunday Supreme. Yes, that's what I heard from my teacher. Before I woke up from my